If you are ready to upgrade your sleeping arrangements while spending time outdoors, consider getting a camping cot to literally elevate your sleep. There are many products available to choose camping cots, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping cots from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Osage River Camping Cot. From setup to breakdown, the Osage River Standard Folding Camping Cot was a favorite, earning the highest scores in every one of our testing categories over our 6-month testing period. We discovered that the cot can easily be assembled by stretching out the canvas fabric over the metal frame that folds out, and it simply folds back down when the time comes. It's super convenient and easy to get in and out of its storage bag, and it takes less than a minute to set up and fold up. The cot fits perfectly in its carrying bag and is easy to transport to and from the car. Although it might be a little big to carry far distances, it's extremely portable for car campgrounds or to use around the house. The build and materials of the cot feel exceptionally sturdy and durable, so we're confident it will last for years to come. And if you weren't already sold, the affordable price of this cot makes it a no-brainer. Number 2. Helox Light Cot Ultralight. If you have some wiggle room in your camping cot budget, the Helox Light Cot is worth the splurge thanks to its ultra-lightweight and comfortable design. Helox is known for its lightweight outdoor gear, and we found that they deliver on expectations with this 2-pound cot. Although the width is on the smaller side at 23.5 inches, we love that 2 cots could easily fit in a smaller tent if needed. The cot doesn't weigh much more than backpacking pads and definitely weighs less than some more plush air mattresses. The long, thin design of it when it's in its carrying case is ideal for sliding long ways into a backpacking backpack. The only downside is that it takes some extra strength to unfold the cot the first few times, but after a while, it gets less strenuous to put together. Number 3. Alps Mountaineering Camp Cot. We love that the Alps Mountaineering Camp Cot XL provides a generous amount of space for campers at 86 inches long and 40 inches wide. For the most part, the cot was simple to put together and take apart since it comes with just a few pieces, but assembly might be easier with 2 people because of the heavier weight of the materials. We think having an extra taut canvas to sleep on is worth putting some extra effort into getting the canvas onto the frame. The cot is comfortable to sleep on, but if you want to add extra cushioning, a thermo rest pad or blanket could make it even more comfortable. Additionally, in a 6-person tent, the cot took up a good amount of space, so you'll want to make sure you have enough room to fold it out comfortably. Number 4. Buyer of Maine Easy Cot. Setting up a tent can be no small feat, so for additional ease while car camping, the Buyer of Maine Easy Cot is your best option. Out of all the cots we tested, this one had the easiest setup by far, and it only took a matter of seconds to have the bed ready to go. The instructions are easy to follow, and they're printed on the side of the bag to make the setup that much more trouble-free. Keep in mind that the cot itself weighs 21 pounds, which is on the heavier side, so we think it's best suited for campers who don't have to carry the cot far, or at all for car camping. This cot was set up in a matter of seconds, making it one of the easiest cots we've ever used. It's definitely bulkier than some backpacking cots, but it didn't take up a ton of room in the back of a car, and was easy to stack with other similar-sized gear. Number 5. Fee Active Folding Camping Cot. We think the lightweight Fee Active Folding Camping Cot is ideal for hikers, backpackers, or campers looking for a cot with superior portability. It only weighs 4.6 pounds, and we particularly like the carrying bag it came with for additional portability. The bag is the perfect fit to carry all of the items for the cot. It is hard to break down the cot, but the portability portion is prime for a hike. The tautness of the canvas makes it slightly tricky to attach it to the base, but after the first few times of putting it together, we found that it gets easier, and even though the canvas is tight around the base, we found the cot very comfortable to sleep on with the perfect balance of stiffness and cushioning. It feels sturdy and didn't wobble when we sat or slept on it, and we felt confident in its durability. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.